Hi guys, welcome back. So I've been talking to you a little bit about a feeling that we all feel sometimes, anger. And anger is completely normal. We all feel it, but we just need to remember to stay safe and respectful when we're angry. But as you probably know, and as I definitely know, that is not always an easy thing when you're really angry. So that's why it's important that we learn coping strategies, just little tricks kind of, that help us calm our bodies down. Another thing that might help you when you're angry is a calm down kit. So a calm down kit is basically just like the calm corner that you had in your classroom at school. It's just a little box or a bag or even a little area that has just different like toys, activities, and even strategies in it that will help you calm down when you're feeling a really big feeling. This is an awesome thing to use when you start to get angry, when you feel those angry thoughts start to kind of sneak into your head and you feel your muscles start to tighten up and your heart starts to pound. That's your body telling you, hey, you're starting to get angry. Let's do something to help control this big feeling. If you wait until you're super, super, super angry, you feel like you're going to explode, it'll be a little bit harder. It's harder to calm down when you're that angry. So this is a good thing to use when you start to feel angry. A calm down kit. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own calm down kit at home with stuff that you probably just have lying around the house. Enjoy! So the first thing that you're going to need is some sort of container to keep everything in. I'm just going to use this bin. I found it floating around my house. Wasn't even really using it for anything. So this is what I will use. But you don't need to use a bin. You can use a cardboard box. You could use a shoe box. You could even use like some sort of cloth bag. Really, anything works as long as it will just hold everything together. If you're going to go around your house looking for something to use, please make sure that you talk to a grown-up in your house first so that you know that it's okay for you to use whatever you find. So the next thing that I'm going to put in my calm down kit is some sort of fidget toy. So a fidget toy is something that's good to just kind of fidget with your hands. You can kind of twist it, you can pull it. These are awesome because instead of focusing on that angry thought, oh, I cannot believe that he did that. This kind of distract your mind. It will get you thinking about something else. Also, it's really great because when you're starting to feel, oh, I'm mad and you want to pull something or throw something or rip something, this is something that you can do that too in a safe way. Another great fidget toy that you could use is a fidget spinner. I know a lot of people already have a fidget spinner. And again, it's a great thing to kind of get your mind off of that angry thought and help you calm down and relax a little. If you don't have these at home, that is okay. You don't need them. Every calm down kit is going to look different, so it doesn't need to be exactly like mine. Okay. The next thing you could include in your calm down kit is some sort of squishy or squeezy toy. So what I have here is actually a squishy. I got this from the dollar store. The reason that I like these is because I think we've all been angry before where we can feel our muscles starting to kind of squeeze up and maybe we want to throw something or squeeze something. These are perfect for that moment. It's perfectly safe. We can squeeze it and we're not going to hurt ourselves. We're not going to hurt anyone else, and we're not hurting the toy because it's meant for that. This is also a great way to practice your deep breathing. So while you're squeezing it, you can take a deep breath. So you're actually using two strategies at once. Also, I like squishies because normally they have a nice little smell to them. So that's awesome. So that's another way to help you kind of slow your breathing because you're smelling that. But if you don't have a squishy, that's okay. Maybe even like a foam ball. I don't even know where I got this foam ball, but that works just fine too. Or a bean bag. This, I want to make sure it doesn't roll away on us. This is just a stress ball that I made out of a balloon, and I'm gonna do a video so I can show you how to make your own stress ball. And again, it's a great thing to just squeeze when you're feeling really, really angry. You can get some of that energy out, you can help your muscles relax, you can slow down your breathing. I think it's a great idea to have some sort of squishy or squeezable toys in your calm down kit. I'm gonna pop those in there. Another thing you could include in your calm down kit is a sensory bottle. So these sensory bottles are really great. I actually made both of these at home from things that I already had around the house. You could use a water bottle, you could use a soda bottle, just really out of things that you probably already have around your house. I'm going to be making another video to show you after this how you can make your own sensory bottle. So the reason that I love sensory bottles is I think that they are a great visual, a great thing to help you understand how your brain is when you're angry. So see all this glitter? I like to say that all this glitter is kind of like our thoughts in our brain. When we're really angry, all of those angry thoughts are spinning all around. As you can imagine, it's pretty hard to make a good choice, or it's pretty hard to think straight when you've got all these angry thoughts just twirling all around in there. But when we let the bottle kind of sit there calmly, we can focus on it, we can take some deep breaths ourselves, we can watch as the glitter, all those angry thoughts, starts to calm down. And as we watch it, we'll start to notice that we kind of calm down too, because we're also stilling our body, we're slowing our breathing, so we start to calm down just like the bottle. Also, they're really, really cool to look at, so it's a great distraction because I don't know about you, but I could watch that all day long. So it's a great way also to get your mind off of those angry thoughts. So I'm going to take my sensory bottle and pop them right into our calm down kit. Now, the next things that I'm going to show you I think are actually the most important things to have in your calm down kit. And that is some different materials about feelings. So that could be a book on feelings. This is Simon and the Big Bad Angry Beasts that I read to you, but it could really be any sort of book about feelings. That can be really helpful when you're feeling angry. Also, you could have some charts about feelings. It could be a chart showing the different way that you feel, so when you go to the calm down kit, you could kind of point out and identify what you're feeling. Or it could be a chart showing the different levels of your anger, like number 1, feeling good. Number 2, pretty good. Number 3, starting to get a little annoyed. Number 4, getting mad, getting frustrated, should probably take a break. And number 5, blowing up, so angry. These are great tools to help you see where you are, how you're feeling, and then to help you know how to calm down. So if I'm mad and I'm looking at this, oh man, I'm level 4, ooh, I need a break. Okay, then you can use another thing that I think is important to have in there, a sheet that shows you different coping strategies, different ways to calm down. So if I was really, really mad, I can look at this, okay, belly breathing, talk to a grown up, count to 10, go someplace quiet and safe. I think I'm gonna try belly breathing. And that will help show you what you could do to bring you back down to level 1. So I have these 2 superhero ones. I use printers for these. I know that a lot of people right now don't have a printer at their house. Actually, I don't either. These are old papers that I have. So it is okay for you to make your own. If you want to make your own feelings sheet, even if it's just little smiley faces or little angry faces, that's a-okay. If you want to write down your own coping strategies and draw your own pictures, that's okay. That's awesome. It's there for you. It's there to help you. It doesn't matter how it looks. It is your coping strategies sheet and feelings sheet. It's your calm down kit. It is okay. No matter how you make it look, it's okay. It doesn't need to be the same thing as me. So then I'm going to put that in there. Another thing that I have is actually the butterfly breathing tracer that we made together. So again, to use this, you start up at the tippy top. We breathe in as we trace it. We pause, breathe out. And we breathe in. Pause, breathe out. That's a great tool to have in your calm down kit. Super simple and easy. You can make this at home with just a piece of paper, and it's a great way to help you regulate or control your breathing to calm your body down. So that is something I like to include in my calm down kit. And then for this last step of things that you might want to add, depends on what you like. Different things work for different people. Do you know if there's something that always makes you feel calm? For some people, it's music. Maybe you could somehow put some music in there. Maybe making a puzzle is a great way to get your mind off of feeling angry. I know that for me, I really like art. I like being creative. So maybe if I had some coloring pictures, I don't have any coloring pictures because I don't have a printer, but even paper and some crayons. That's a great thing. That's a great idea for me to be, a great way for me to distract myself, kind of focus on that. And you know what? I could even maybe draw about how I'm feeling. And then maybe I could show this picture to someone that I care about and they could help talk to me about the way I'm feeling. So that's something I could include. Some people really don't like loud noises. When they're mad, those loud noises make them angrier. So if you have some headphones, maybe that would be a good thing to put in there to kind of block out some of that noise. It's up to you. What works for you? What helps you calm down? So this was my calm down kit. Again, your calm down kit is probably not going to look the same as mine, and that's okay. Different things calm us down. We all have different things, so it's okay for your calm down kit to look different. It's specially made for you. So when your calm down kit is all set, you can actually talk to your family and decide, where do you want to keep this? Do you want to keep it in one special spot? Do you want to keep it in your bedroom? Or maybe you have a different area in your house you'd like to put it? But it's a great discussion to have with your family so that you guys can find the perfect spot for your calm down kit. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed making our calm down kit, and I hope that it really helps you. So have an awesome day. Bye-bye, guys.